Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to make an infinite tunnel loop in Adobe After Effects. It's very simple. A lot of people like the animation I made of the weekend, and in the beginning of that video I used this effect. So if you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like this video, and with that being said, let's get straight into it. So right here, I just made it quickly, but here's basically the tunnel effect. It's like a kaleidoscope, and you can see around it, there's the weekend's faces. So what this effect actually does is it uses an existing clip you have, and it creates the effect based off that. So the existing clip I had was red and had the weekend's face. That's why it's red. So if you want to change the color, or you want it to have certain characteristics, you would want the existing clip to have those colors and those features. So I'm gonna delete the effect. And basically this is what I started with. It's just the weekend's face. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna use the effect. It's called CC Flow Motion. You want to select the knot first. So you wanna select the placement where it starts. So you wanna select the middle point. So boom, we selected the middle. Next thing we're gonna do is increase the amount a bunch. So this is what creates the effect. I'm gonna turn down the preview quality to quarter. So right here you can see it increases the amount. So essentially you want to start with something around here. If you start like around the hundreds, 90s, it's very distorted and it doesn't look like a tunnel. So we're going to start around here. We're going to select the amount. So we're going to press the toggle animation. We're going to create a keyframe. So you can see if we press U, the effect should appear. It should also be under effects, CC Flow Motion. So it's right there. Let me zoom in. And then we want to increase the amount. So let's just say we want this animation to last like 10 seconds. We can increase the amount. And the more we increase the amount, the more faces there are. So you can see now it moves. We can also increase the fall off. So if you increase the fall off, you'll see what it does. So it'll go back to the singular clip you have. So if you wanted to transition from like a bunch of faces into one or whatever you're doing, this is a really good way. So in this case, I don't think you need to if you just want to create the tunnel effect, but if you want to create a transition, this is a really cool transition. So I'm going to just keep it the same because this actually creates the infinite one. So if you just stretch the keyframe and increase the amount, it's never going to go back to the singular face. It's just going to keep going and going. So you can see at the end of the keyframe, it's still there. You can also increase the scale. What the scale does is it makes it look like it's moving faster. So if you go to transform and press scale at 100 right now, go to the point where the amount ends or the animation ends as well and increase the scale, you can see it looks like it's moving faster. But the problem with this is it doesn't look distorted anymore. It doesn't look like a tunnel as much. So you would want to just increase the scale by like just a little bit. So like 110, so like 100 to 110. It might give a subtle difference. Another thing you can do is add turbulent displays. So if you just apply it, it makes it a little bit more trippy. So like it like wobbles a bit more, which I think is cool. So if you're shooting a music video, I think this is a really cool effect to apply to in general. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And with that being said, my name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.